Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you've been following my channel for a while now, you know that the bike that I brought originally came with a fairing. It's a 15-inch fairing that I took off straight away and haven't really thought about it, but the more I start looking at bikes, the more I'm starting to quite fancy the club style street bob. So I've been having thoughts about putting it back on, and also at the moment I'm doing a lot of riding in the evenings and I'm getting hammered by bugs, just hitting me all over. So I thought I would put the fairing back on the bike, see what it's like to ride, see if it helps with the bugs, and see if it's something I want to leave on there, because originally I wanted to go for the bob look without the fairing. I haven't got a mic set up in my helmet yet, so I've planned out a nice little route. We've got some high-speed sections, we've got lots of bends, got lots of potholes, as you'd expect in England, just to see how the bike handles with the fairing, see if I like it, see if I like the looks. So let's go for a little ride on this beautiful summer's evening, and we'll come back here and I'll tell you what I think about the fairing. Let's go ride. Oh dear. Well guys, that was not good. Should probably put it in a little bit of context. I've got the Shui GTR 3 and it is quiet. Even with the chin mounted camera, it is a really quiet helmet. There's almost no noise, especially with my earplugs. It's just a really lovely helmet to wear. As soon as I got above 35-40 miles an hour with the windshield, it was like my whole helmet was vibrating, my head was vibrating. Obviously I'm assuming the fairing is deflecting the air up and it is hitting the top of my helmet, but it's not a smooth deflection. That was really unpleasant, and I turned around and came back, and I haven't been going very long, maybe about 10 minutes. That was really disappointing. I couldn't keep going like that. That was doing my head in. On the bright side, I didn't get hit by any bugs. But this 15-inch fairing is coming off as soon as I get home. I did not enjoy that. It's a very unpleasant ride. My head kind of hurts a bit now. I've almost got a headache from that. It's a very, very strange experience. Yeah, I'll give you a quick show around the bike of how it looks with the fairing before I take it off. But thank you for watching. I hope you found that useful if you're looking at fairings. This is a 15-inch one. And I'll catch you in the next video where hopefully I have a mic connected up to this. See you next time.